Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 20 genius woodworking tools on the market you need right now for your DIY projects. From smart measuring tools to powerful workshop upgrades, these tools are designed to save time, boost accuracy, and make every build easier, faster, and more professional than ever before. Ball Gouge. The Arbortech Ball. Gouge is a 30mm spherical power carving attachment designed for 4.5-inch and 5-inch angle grinders. It works like a power spoon gouge, making fast, smooth hollowing and freehand shaping of concave surfaces. Its anti-grab design improves control and safety, while the self-sharpening ring blade stays sharp during use. Perfect for bowls, spoons, sculptures, and textured wood effects. It delivers precise, creative carving with professional level finish and reduced risk of kickback or digging. Benchtop router table. The Rockler Convertible. Benchtop router table is a compact, space-saving solution designed for small workshops and mobile woodworking setups. Its innovative 4-mode system allows it to function as a benchtop table, wall-mounted station, freehand routing base, or fold-flat storage unit for easy transport. Built with a durable melamine-coated MDF top and aluminum fence, it offers precision, stability, and dust control. Compatible with compact and mid-sized fixed-base routers, it's ideal for versatile DIY and pro routing tasks. Precision miter gauge. The Hongdui precision miter gauges are premium woodworking tools designed for ultra-accurate crosscuts and repeatable angles. Featuring a patented crown gear locking system, they deliver positive stops at every degree for maximum precision. Models like the HD-TB01 include 140 locking angles, CNC machine components, and anti-slop miter bars for smooth, stable movement. The HD-MG21 adds a telescoping fence, micro-adjustable flipstop, and dual metric imperial scales, making it ideal for professional and DIY workshops. Pipe clamps, Bessey H style. Pipe clamps are heavy-duty woodworking clamps that convert standard black iron pipes into powerful adjustable clamping systems for glue-ups and assemblies. Their unique H-shaped base provides dual-axis stability, preventing tipping and keeping the clamp steady on the workbench. A high-clearance design protects your knuckles while tightening, while the quick-adjust clutch mechanism allows fast, one-handed positioning. Built with durable cast jaws, smooth Acme-threaded spindles, and protective pads, they deliver strong, reliable pressure for professional quality woodworking projects. Wood Organizer Rack. The Bora Wood Organizer Rack is a heavy-duty wall-mounted storage system designed to help you reclaim valuable workshop space by storing lumber, pipes, molding, and long materials vertically. Built from 1-inch powder-coated steel tubing, it offers excellent strength for both indoor and outdoor use. Available in multiple configurations like 6-tier, 4-tier, and 3-tier models, it can hold up to 660 pounds, depending on the setup. Each shelf supports up to 110 pounds, making it a reliable and space-saving solution for any serious woodworking shop.
Kreg Inline Clamp. The Kreg Inline Clamp, KBCIC, is a compact side-pressing clamp designed to hold workpieces firmly to a workbench without obstructing the top surface. It fits into standard 3/4-inch or 20mm bench dog holes, making it compatible with Kreg benches, MFT tables, and other work surfaces. Offering up to 250 pounds of clamping force and 360-degree swivel action, it ensures strong, versatile positioning. Its 4 3/4 inch adjustment range, low-profile 1/2 inch shoe, and V-notch design make it ideal for flat panels, mitered corners, and round edges. Built with a durable polymer body and steel push rod, it's perfect for sanding, routing, or finishing projects. wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge, model 695-7000, is a precision measuring and transfer tool ideal for achieving accurate miter cuts, especially with irregular wall angles. Designed for both DIY users and professionals, it simplifies flooring, trim, and moulding projects. The gauge automatically determines the correct miter angle, measures both internal and external angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees, and securely locks using an eccentric lever. Integrated magnets enable effortless alignment with a miter saw blade, while telescopic calipers allow measurement of outer corners. Lightweight yet durable, it also includes a foldable stop for marking and transferring angles directly onto the workpiece. Hedgehog Push Block. The Hedgehog Push Block is a premium woodworking safety accessory engineered for precision, comfort, and control when working with table saws, jointers, and router tables. Constructed from glass fibre reinforced DuPont nylon, it offers durability and impact resistance. The non-marring neoprene grip ensures secure contact with the workpiece without damaging its surface. Its ergonomic angled handle and offset design enhance safety by keeping hands farther from the blade. The slim 3/8 inch profile allows safe, accurate thin rips, while the 1/4 inch rear heel maintains steady feed pressure. Non-conductive materials make it saw stop compatible, ensuring safe, reliable performance for any woodworking setup. Ework Bench Dog Clamps. The Ework Bench Dog Clamps are versatile, quick-action hold-down clamps designed for workbenches with 3/4 inch or 20mm dog holes. Built from high-strength nylon and 45-pound steel, they provide durability, strength, and reliability for woodworking projects. With up to 155 pounds of clamping force and an adjustable range of 4.8 inches, they securely hold workpieces of various thicknesses. The rubber protection pads prevent surface damage, while the patented quick clamp and release system ensures effortless operation. Their low-profile design keeps the workspace clear, making them ideal for sanding, routing, or finishing tasks on MFT tables and standard woodworking benches. Virutex cutting machine RZ270S. The Virutex RZ270S cutting machine is a professional-grade electric tool designed for precision trimming of doors, frames, baseboards, and skirtings without removal. Ideal for flooring installers, it enables clean, uniform cuts to fit new flooring such as laminate, parquet, or tile. Powered by a robust 1,300 watt motor, it delivers a high 5,000 revolutions per minute speed for fast and accurate cutting. With adjustable depth 0 to 47mm and height 8 to 35mm, it ensures perfect alignment and finish. Features like soft start, double insulation, and dust collection enhance safety and convenience. Compact and portable, it comes complete with a carbide blade and carry case. Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier Calipers for measuring and marking. The Woodraphic Professional Dual Function Vernier calipers combine precision measuring and accurate marking in one innovative tool. Designed for woodworkers, this 5-in-1 instrument can measure depth, width and angles, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, draw parallel lines and serve as a ruler. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it features high-precision machining, a durable black anodized finish, and laser-etched white markings for superior readability. The smooth sliding vernier scale offers accuracy up to 0.05 millimeters with minimal parallax. Lightweight and ergonomic, it includes a removable depth gauge and a T-square function, making it ideal for detailed woodworking and precision layout tasks. Woodpecker's Gauge Blocks. The Woodpecker's Gauge Blocks are precision-engineered setup tools designed to help woodworkers achieve exact measurements and machine adjustments. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum or stainless steel, these blocks are accurate to within 0.001 inches, ensuring exceptional flatness and squareness. Their red anodized finish enhances durability and visibility, while laser-etched markings provide easy reading. Ideal for setting blade heights, fence positions, and router bit depths, the blocks can be stacked for custom dimensions. Available in standard, 3D, adjustable and stainless steel one-time tool versions. Each set includes protective storage, making them indispensable for precise, repeatable woodworking setups and professional quality craftsmanship. Going Make Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Jig Guide. The Going Make Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory designed for cutting identical, narrow wood strips safely and efficiently. Built from CNC machined aluminum alloy, it offers superior durability and accuracy. Its one-way roller bearing ensures smooth forward motion while preventing dangerous kickback, enhancing safety during thin cuts. The laser engraved scales in both inches and millimeters allow for precise adjustments, enabling strips as thin as 1/32 inch. The jig's zero clearance setup eliminates blade offset errors. Compatible with most table saws, band saws, and router tables, it includes multiple mitre slot adapters, making it a versatile tool for fine woodworking. Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table. The Wolfcraft 6197000 Jigsaw Table is an innovative accessory that transforms any standard handheld jigsaw into a stable, stationary cutting tool. It enables precise, controlled cuts by allowing users to move the workpiece instead of the saw, improving accuracy and safety. The table's galvanized steel surface ensures durability, while two strong clamps provide secure attachment to a workbench. Its inverted setup offers a clear view of the cutting line and minimizes splintering on the top surface. With a universal fit for most jigsaws, parallel guide support, and compact portability, this table is ideal for straight, circular, or freehand cutting tasks. Blockcision Setup. Blocks Woodworking Tools. The Blockcision Setup. Blocks. Woodworking tools are precision machined aluminum gauge blocks designed to provide quick and accurate setup for woodworking machinery. Built from solid dent-resistant aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, these blocks resist corrosion and wear. Each bar features laser-engraved ruler markings for easy reading and reliable accuracy within plus or minus 0.001 inch. Their stackable design allows users to combine blocks for hundreds of measurement options, ensuring precise blade, bit, and fence adjustments. Available in 8, 15, and 16-piece sets, they come neatly organized in a durable storage case, making them ideal for use with table saws, routers, and drill presses. wolfcraft 3 D-Mitre Angle. The wolfcraft 3 D-Mitre Angle, Model 5208-000, is a versatile measuring and marking tool designed for precise work on three-dimensional materials such as beams, pipes, and timbers. Made in Europe from durable, high-quality plastic, it offers built-in stops for 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles, a continuous 0 to 90 degrees scale, and an integrated drill gauge. Its unique rectangular design enables accurate marking around corners and parallel line drawing. Ideal for woodworking, trim work, and framing, this compact tool, 275 by 150 by 66 mm, ensures precision, efficiency, and convenience in any workshop or job site setting. Dremel 2 3-1 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table. The Dremel 2 3-1 Portable Rotary Tool Shaper and Router Table is a versatile attachment that transforms your Dremel rotary tool into a precision bench-mounted shaper. Ideal for light-duty woodworking, it excels at sanding, trimming, grooving, and shaping edges on small projects. Its adjustable fence and cutting depth allow for consistent, accurate results, while the smooth 8-inch by 6-inch work table provides excellent control. Compatible with most Dremel models, the 231 is easy to mount and simple to use, making it perfect for hobbyists, model makers, and DIY enthusiasts seeking precision shaping without the bulk of a full-size router setup. Woodpecker's Rabbit Gauges. The Woodpecker's Rabbit Gauge set is a precision-engineered layout and setup tool designed for woodworkers who demand accuracy when cutting rabbets, dados, and grooves. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, each of the 3 blocks features 4 stepped edges, providing 12 precise measurements from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch. These gauges eliminate guesswork by allowing exact setup of router bits, dado blades, and fences. The signature red anodized finish ensures durability, reduces friction, and enhances visibility in the workshop. Ideal for layout marking or machine setup, these gauges offer exceptional accuracy and consistency, making them an indispensable addition to any precision woodworking setup. Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge. The Rockler Precision Mitre Gauge, model number 53310, is a high-performance upgrade for table saws, bandsaws, and router tables, delivering exceptional accuracy and stability. Its aluminum head offers a clear, easy-to-read scale from 0 degrees to 70 degrees in both directions, with precision machine detents at common angles for quick, reliable settings. The 18-inch steel mitre bar includes adjustable nylon screws to remove play for smooth operation. Ergonomic handles enhance comfort and control, while built-in fence mounting options allow easy customization. Designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use, this mitre gauge ensures consistent, repeatable cuts for professional quality woodworking results. Milescraft 4016 Bench Lock. The Milescraft 4016 Bench Lock is a versatile and durable workbench accessory that transforms compatible bench clamps into a flexible bench dog clamping system. Designed for workbenches with 3/4 inch, 19mm, or 20mm holes, it installs quickly without tools and provides a secure hold for various projects. The 360-degree rotating base offers maximum flexibility, while the built-in V-groove enables precise clamping of corners and round materials. Compatible with Milescraft and other popular clamp brands, the Benchlock features sturdy ABS construction and a steel threaded rod. Ideal for pocket hole assembly and general woodworking, it enhances stability, versatility and efficiency on any workbench.